In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on Windows 11 without installing any third-party software. Let's get started. First, navigate to the Start menu, search for Snipping Tool, and open it. This will launch the Snipping Tool window. Next, click on the video camera icon, then click the plus New button. Now, select the area of your screen you want to record by clicking and dragging your mouse. Once you've selected the area, click the Start button at the top of the screen to begin recording. Then, go ahead and perform the actions you want to capture. When you're done, click the Stop icon at the top of the recording area. The Snipping Tool window will reappear, now showing your recorded video. To save the recording, click the Save icon in the top right corner and choose a location to store your video. Now you know how to easily record your screen in Windows 11 without any extra software. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.